What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Kirby taking on Elite. And today I remembered to actually change my preferred settings to Final Destination. So hopefully we're gonna get some Final D matches instead of Battlefield. And you also know your boy went to a 7-Eleven to get his free Slurpee today. And I have a green straw, so it shows up as invisible on the camera. Ooh. Although, by the time you're watching this, it's not free Slurpee day, so sorry about that. We got top 5 Berry? Let's see what happens here. Now, Kirby can combo heavies, like, insanely heavy. Yeah, there's 75%. Let's see if I can get a forward air S-man. Aw. I think he actually tough guyed through all that. I'm not sure. I think he can tough guy through my jab. Not positive, though. Okay, well, yeah. Yep, this is just utter destruction. This is just sad. I'm sorry, top 5 guy. There you go. Finally get hit off. F smash, just destroying it. Okay, so this is just sad. I'm sorry, dude. Oh, I was really hoping to get a shield break. That'd be great. No! Oh, we lived. I was DIing the wrong way, so. Yeah. Why is everything that I do working right now? It's clearly the 7-Eleven magic. Come on, we want the 3-stock. I don't think I've gotten the 3-stock on here, and that'll do it. I don't know if I want to give him a rematch, but I guess I will, because, like, maybe he played badly, but, yeah, no, he's gone. I mean, sometimes everything you do just works, and that was one of those times. Like, I feel a little bad. I also wish I would have gone forward air F smash just so I could kill him in 2 exchanges. Like, I don't know if, like, I've said that, like, you can do that, but I don't think I've actually ever done that. Okay, well, Inkling, that combo also works against, like, slightly differently, I think. So let's see if I can get it. The stage is in the way. Ugh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, am I dead? Ooh, I have the tech ready. Okay, so Lido. Ugh, he's laggy. Okay. Yikes. Never underestimate an Inkling. They can just ink you just like that, and it can get scary real quick. Like, a couple more hits and a roller, and I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead to roller right now. Like, if he had, like, read the tech in place and rollered. Although now he can just die to, like, anything, so. But, we'll kill him with the dash attack. Uh-oh. Why did I double jump? I don't know. So I had a little bit of rage, so the normal combo doesn't work right there. Oof. Ugh. So you do sort of have to improvise depending on your rage, and... Uh-oh, I knew I wasn't close enough. I had one more jump, too, or 2 more jumps? I don't know. I had more jumps. I could have lived that just fine. Yikes. I tried, what was I trying? I was trying to nair out a shield, I guess. And, yeah, now I'm dead. I'm dead. That was, I mean, that was my fault. That was a really bad downer. I've just been doing that a lot. That was still a bad downer. I don't know why. Cool, cool. Oh, come on, why? I can't get a downer against this guy. Whew. Let's hop cancel. Let's throw him off. I should probably mix up how I edge guard him. Think so? Yeah. We should make this into like a Dora thing, where like I ask you guys questions in the middle of the episode and you respond. Or let's not do that. Let's instead just beat this guy because I really do not want to lose. Oof. I was gonna run in. Oh, you get the trip. Okay, here we go. Why did I... It like jumped higher than I thought it would, I guess. Oof. It can be a little hard to punish. Like, I think a lot of people think there's more end lag on it. Back here, back here, back here. Oh, that was close. Wow! Oh, we can't hit each other. We're playing too safe. It's like last stock Evo. Uh-oh. Okay, 128. Dash tag. Ah! No! Oh, that was a lot of end lag. That was a lot of end lag after dash tag. I feel like that last stock, I should have just been more aggressive. I should have had one hard read and just gone in. But we're now in Battlefield, so now we're just gonna lose like outright instead of having to go to final hit, final stock. Okay. Oh no! Oh, we're fine. I thought I was dead. Can I win, please? I deserve a win. It's my channel. Unless he's also recording this, in which case... Why did I not up smash? No! How did that grab miss? Okay. We're fine. We are fine. 182. Uh-oh. That flat bomb does not seem good. Yes! Yes! Finally. Oh, 24 seconds left? I didn't even realize that. Now, I would give him the best of 3, but no. I don't know. I just don't want to play that again. That was stressful. Both games were very stressful, and I'm stressed enough. Whew. Gosh, I didn't deserve to win that second game, and he didn't deserve to win that first game. So it all evens out, perfectly balanced as all things should be. We finally ran into a Kirby. This is, I think, like, the second Kirby I've ran... Hey, well, hold on, hold on. I was not ready. I was not ready. Encrypt. Wow. This is exciting. Okay. Did you just... D after that? It's so random. Okay. So we got a Kirby. This is exciting. Now, I wouldn't say I'm great at the Kirby Ditto. I think like a lot of people say they're really bad at the Ditto. But like I've lost to like non-Kirby players in the Ditto, like people who are about the same level as me. Just because I think a lot of people say you expect them to play like how you play. And when they don't do that, then you're just thrown off. It's like, hey, why didn't you do the optimal thing? But like, I don't know. So, he's probably gonna get antsy with like a forward smash or up smash. So, there you go, 43%. Yeah, he obviously wants that kill. That's just Kirby privilege right there, honestly. gonna up smash or forward smash. There you go. Can we get the 3-stock? I might live this. Yeah, I know how to DI that move. Oh, dang. I was like, let's get the 3-stock! And before he makes his comeback. Interesting. How can he get trips? Oh my gosh, might I have to get 0 to death by this Kirby? Okay, no we're not. Wow, if he makes his comeback, I will be amazed, and probably shouldn't have tried to, like, disrespect him. Ah! Probably could just up smash, but you know what? I want to keep this game alive. Let's see if he knows how to DI up throw. No, he does not. Come on, dude. It's your move. You should know how to DI it. DI it away. Away. Not down. Away. Wait, was that 4.6 million? Did I read that right? Let's give him the rematch. Why not? Why not? See, let's give him a chance to adjust. Give him a 2 out of 3. See what happens. Wait, why does picture change? That's weird. Do you see that? It changed from blue Kirby to yellow Kirby. And then back to blue Kirby. Is that a glitch or what is that? Okay, I'll win this time. Okay, if you think so. Well, yeah, if you keep getting down tilt trips, you'll win. Maybe he will win this time. I'm not, like I said, I'm not great at this Kirby. Oh my gosh. I'm not great at the Kirby Ditto. Uh-oh. 72%. Wow. I'm a little scared. I don't want to lose this. Oh, we... There we go. Okay, we brought it back. Not bad. Okay. I can kill him with F smash at this point. So, I kind of want to find that. Or the up smash. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Let's win this. I can't lose the Kirby Ditto on my channel. That would just be embarrassing. That would have been a good time to up smash instead of neutral there. Okay. Okay. Good up smash. Good up smash. This guy kind of knows what he's doing. Maybe not. I mean, I do that a lot too, so I can't blame him. Dude. I mean, I guess it worked. Oh no. Man, he up B's a lot. Let's do that too. See if he knows how to punish it. Because if he's going for a lot, he thinks it's a good move. See? Oh, he knows how to use it against me. It's good. It's good. Again, should be up smashing our shield. Although, let's keep it fresh. If I had F smash towards him, he would have been donezo. Whoa. He's out of jumps. Nice, okay. Let's see if he knows how to... Oh my gosh, dude! Away! You could have won this game! Or, you still can win this game. But... Ooh, that was good. That was good. I like it. I like his attempt. Okay, we need to get a little more percent on. I don't feel comfortable with this small of a lead. There we go. 60. I feel a little better about that. See, watch. We're gonna live this because we know how to DI it, sir. Whew. Oh, it should have hit. Don't get too risky. Done. Done! You don't think I know how to punish that? You not think I know how to punish a rock? Come on. Come on. That's how you do it. Yeah, what's up with this guy's GSP? Let's finish on that one. Why not? I don't want to make this too long a video. But thank you guys for watching. First time running into a Kirby. Long time at least. First time while recording. I think I've only ran into about 3 or 4 Kirbys online, which is crazy because I've actually played a pretty good amount of games online. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Generic YouTubers outro, more things about YouTube and subscribing, click that bell, other phrases. Thanks for watching. Peace.